Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli back with you again and wanting to share with you some important and exciting information on how to get affiliate sales as a beginner. So it doesn't matter if you are a complete newbie, novice to this wonderful affiliate marketing space. You are somebody who is seeking a side hustle. You want and need a simple way that you can start to generate some nice extra cash flow from the comfort of your home using the power of the internet. Well, congratulations. You're in the right place today. And what I have is a system, one that's been tested and proven to work, and it's helping people from all around the world, complete newbies as a matter of fact, to experience their initial breakthrough. People who have never been able to make a dime online before are gaining access to the system. They're joining, they're getting started, they're taking action, and they're following the system, the blueprint, and the step-by-step training. This is the back office. It happens to be the back office at our top level, which is our super affiliate $600 product package. Now we do have 4 product packages. We have a 50, a 150, a 300, and a 600. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to bring you inside of the super affiliate space because this is where you're going to gain access to the most content, training, and value, and position yourself at the top so that you have the potential to achieve and earn the greatest earning possibilities with this system called Infinity Processing System, where you truly can become your own boss. This has been going strong since March of 2021 when it first launched, and we have people from all over the world who have used it and, of course, currently using it. It's still very strong, very hot, and people are loving it. As a matter of fact, it's soon to be updated with some new products and some new training that's going to be added to all 4 levels. So definitely stay tuned for that. But I want to show you how simple this is. So how to earn money as an affiliate, even if you're brand new, folks. You need a system. You need to be able to access a system, a solid system, one that's easy to navigate, user-friendly, and is going to give you exactly what you need. The products and the training that you can plug into and earn while you learn, okay? This is broken down for even the complete novice to be able to access through the simple step-by-step video training tutorials. Now, I recommend using the 2-step approach. So what does that look like and what will you be doing? Well, as soon as you gain access to this, folks, you're going to get your system set up. It's very easy. You're just going to follow these steps in order. Come here. Step 1, okay, introduction, get set up. You're going to follow these videos. Everything has a video, and you're going to want to request to join our 2 groups so that you can leverage these. They're both free, of course. The free Facebook coaching group and the free Facebook proof group. These will help you tremendously, okay? And then you're just going to follow down here and you're going to plug into these videos, watch them, follow the instructions, and send your requested information, just like what's listed here, to this very email, okay? And this is going to give you access to your website. They'll email it back to you. Then you're going to come in here and follow step 2, okay? Very easy. And then you're going to go down through here and you're going to take your time and take this at your own pace. Now, 2-step approach, this is what I recommend. 1 to 2 hours a day, okay? Stay consistent, show up every single day, work your business, treat it like a business, at least Monday through Friday, especially if you're new, okay? You're going to come down here and you're going to be copying, pasting, and posting, and ultimately profiting using these pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads. So you'll click here, your ads are going to open up, you're going to watch this video, everything has a video, and it literally takes you by the hand, step by step. These are step-by-step guided video training tutorials to show you exactly what to do and how to do it. And then all you have to do, of course, is go out there, take action, apply and implement what you've learned. And you're going to have the perfect learn while you earn business model, okay? So here's all your ads. So I recommend running with this for 30 to 60 minutes a day, posting these on the different free classified websites, and using these on the different sites that are provided, okay, including social media. So whatever you would like, all the different resources and ad site options are provided with the ad copy, okay? Then you've done that. The second approach is coming down here and plugging into one of these, plugging into the training, learning it, and then going out there and applying and implement it into the marketplace. So you're going to have Facebook, Craigslist, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And folks, of course, you could do paid marketing if you have a budget, or once you start making money, folks, be willing to reinvest a percentage back into your IPS business. And then just keep it going, folks. Keep it going, keep it flowing, keep the momentum going, and build, grow, and scale on up, okay? This is a very scalable business model. So I recommend one of these. Again, you have Facebook Marketing Mastery, Instagram marketing, Craigslist marketing, YouTube automation marketing, and last but not least, TikTok marketing. And even if you're not a social media marketing enthusiast, folks, we've got Craigslist. And you can use a simple strategy inside of Craigslist all for free, okay? So you don't need an advertising budget, folks, to have success here. You just have to be willing to set your priorities in line and show up and work at your business every single day, folks, okay? But let me show you what this looks like. Facebook Marketing Mastery, see? It's all step-by-step video training tutorials. And that's the learning approach. Very visual, over the shoulder, showing you exactly what to do. And if you should need to go back and rewatch a video, folks, no worries, because you're doing all of this in the comfort and privacy of your very own home, at your own pace. But stay on track. Don't try to reinvent the wheel, okay? Just follow the steps, follow the process, and commit to yourself. Commit to at least 1 to 2 hours a day, and be consistent, okay? Everything will fall into place the best with that fashion, with that approach, folks, okay? So, see, here's the video. Here's another one. Here's Module 2B, Module 3, Module 4, Module 5, very, very simple, okay? Very, very simple. Okay, then here's another strategy for Facebook Stories. This is really wonderful. I use this, folks, all week long. I've been using it now for quite a while. It's your bonus training, and the ad copy is provided for you, folks, to upload right into your stories, and you're doing this for free. It's a simple strategy, super simple. I recommend you run with it, folks, okay? So listen to this. It's only 2 minutes long, and then follow this strategy, okay? And use the pre-written ads right up here to make it happen. And you're doing it for free, okay? And you come down here and you plug right back into these videos and you just take action, folks. And then you wash, rinse, and repeat. All right? All righty. Everything's here. If you want to use groups, here's the best groups, the best recommendations. Craigslist marketing, let me show you this real quick. Okay, you just go to Craigslist.org, create an account, and there's your ad copy. And if you're somebody who doesn't want to post on Facebook, hey, we've got you covered. We have some great bonus training. Come on right down here, folks. Look at this bonus training. Here's the video, the magical video. Once again, plug in, watch it, and then use it. Okay, it's very simple, for free, Anybody can do this. And here's script 1 and script 2. All the instructions complete. It wipes out the guesswork, folks, okay? It wipes out the guesswork, eliminates the stress, the challenges. You're always going to know what to do, okay? When you wake up in the morning to get your business off the ground. And even comes complete, okay, with a 7-day action plan to succeed. So I recommend using the pre-written ads, picking one of those strategies, working that simultaneously, hand in hand, okay? And then following this 7-day action plan. Here's what to do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And if you elect, it's optional. Here's even a weekend game plan too. Okay? Super simple. Everything is here. Laid out, spelled out, mapped out in like the easiest fashion possible for the newbie marketer. So this business model is ideal and it's perfect for somebody who wants to plug in through a simple learn while you earn approach. Okay, using free methods, following the training, step-by-step videos, use the blueprint and use it to your advantage, folks. It's very easy. So with that being said, I wanted to give you a sneak preview of the back office of the super affiliate top level 600. We have a 300 product package, a 150 and a 50. Just get started. Get started today, folks. Get in where you fit in. Let's get you moving. This year is quickly, coming to an end. The holidays are going to be here before you know it. Everybody needs extra cash flow. This can help you to accomplish that. But you have to get started. Become an action taker. Use it, apply it, and implement it, and turn your life around, folks. YourSuccessBlueprint.net. Any questions, text or call me, and I'll meet you on the inside. Would love to see you inside of our Facebook groups this week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.